Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I wanted to do a video showing you guys what I got my husband for Valentine's Day. So I guess we will start with the big elephant in the room, which really isn't an elephant, it is a T-Rex. So let me give you guys a good view of him. I picked him up at Walmart and he was just under $10. My husband and I have an inside joke that because of his age, he's 24 years older than me, that he's my dinosaur. Not to mention that at nighttime when we're cuddling, his arms are short and he can't grab my butt, so we call him my T-Rex. So that is the significance of the stuffed dinosaur that I got him for Valentine's Day. Now I will show you guys all the sweets, and then we will move into the good Valentine's Day gift. My husband loves candy. He loves candy. He loves Ben & Jerry's ice cream. He loves sweets in general. So once again, sticking with the dinosaur themed, I did pick up a small box of these crappy dollar chocolates. And the only reason why I picked them up is because there was a dinosaur on the box, so pick that up for him. I did pick up a card for him. I'm not going to show you guys the card. And as for candy, I picked him up Snickers, Kit Kats, M&M's with peanuts, and his favorite Reese's. Then in the bag here, I have some boudoir photos that I had done for our wedding. I will pull out the box to show you guys. I'm only going to show you guys the top. I might do a in-depth boudoir video for you guys. But I did do bridal boudoir photos. And the first photo is a picture of my chest and my teddy with my veil on. So my husband has a glass box here. And it has 20 photos. As well as I do have a USB that I can share with him. It has these images on it plus 10 more. So that is everything I got him for Valentine's Day. Everything came tumbling down, so I definitely got to fix it back up before he gets home from work. I definitely look forward to seeing his expression when he comes in on Valentine's Day and sees what I got him. I know that he got me Mally's chocolate-covered strawberries because I put a note out on the door with the Mally's ad, and I'm like, get chocolate-covered strawberries or be banished from the house. So He's been picking on me all week about the Mally's chocolate-covered strawberries, but he already did tell me he's going to be home late from work. So that means that he's definitely stopping at Mally's. And then we're having a date night Saturday, and we're going to Hyde Park. If he gets me anything else for Valentine's Day, I may do a video showing you guys what I got for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have another video up either before this or after this showing you guys what I got my daughter for Valentine's Day, because every year she's my little Valentine too. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye everyone.